Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's early morning filming for today and I am like a little bit exhausted, just a tad bit, okay? But welcome back to day number 4. We are going to be doing a purple look, of course, because this is our purple haze week. Purple haze week. So anyhow, I'm excited for today's look because today's preparation for work per usual, so that's why I'm up super duper early. But I'm excited to try out this new palette by Beauty Bay. This is called the Midnight palette, I believe, because it's all cut off and stuff like this. But this is the beautiful 16 pan palette. I'm so excited to try this. Look at the colors. Ooh. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a blue today for my look, so it won't look so repetible. So let me prep and prime my eyes per usual. I'm gonna start off with e.l.f. and then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia just to make a nice clean canvas for my eyelid area. Alright, so now that I have my base on, I'm going to go in with my Ulta Beauty Brow Bone Highlight in the shade Buzzword. It's like my favorite nude color. And I'm just going to pop it right underneath the brow bone. Alright, so I'm so excited. We're going to go with the deepest purple to start off with, which is this beautiful purple right here. And I'm definitely zoomed in so you guys can see the eye work a lot better. All right, let's see what this is giving. It's giving amazing quality. You guys say that already? Amazing quality per usual by Beauty Bay. So I'm just gonna place this in my crease and I'll worry about blending it out later. I'm gonna blend out this line with, I'm gonna go in with the shade Lavender. Ooh, and it's pigmented. Oh, I was a little skeptical, but you have fooled me. Oh my God. Yeah, y'all can see the, look at that. First of all, this purple is like different. I don't think I ever used a purple like this on my eyelid, because it has a very what's the word, it's a very light color, but in a sense it's has some richness in it. Look at that. This is, girl, this is going to be beautiful. Purple haze in the house today. So I'm just going to continue to blend this out, and I think this is pretty much it for my crease, and then I'm going to cut it off camera. And then we'll come back and put some more beautiful shades on the lid. Alright, so I cut the crease off camera, and now I was thinking, I was like, am I just gonna do all purple, or am I gonna add, of course, blue into this look? And I decided we're gonna do some blue as well. But I'm gonna do the middle part of my lid and then focus on my inner part. So my inner is gonna be blue, but the rest of the lid is going to be purple. So I'm trying to figure out if I want metallics or do I want it all matte. And I think I want to make sure of both. I'm going to go in with this metallic purple shade right here. To use these shades wet just a little bit. I'm going to apply this right in the center. And then the light blue I want to go in with is this color right here. I'm debating on this one, but I feel like it might still come off purple, so let's go more towards blue. Oh, that's so pretty. For my outer part, Let's see. I'm gonna go in with a purple I didn't use, which is gonna be the shade right here. I'm gonna put that on the remaining part of my lid area. Ooh, this is a pretty deep purple. Ooh. The place on my lid, I don't really have the shades like properly blended out yet, but I just want to show y'all what this looks like, because I'm gonna take another like cool like 10 minutes to blend out these colors, make them, you know, cohesive together. And then I'm gonna do my liner, lashes, and then do the rest of my face. And then we're gonna come back because we're gonna pop something on the bottom lash line and then do something with these lips. So I'll be right back. I don't really want it that dark on my lower lash line, so I think I'm gonna go in with the purple that I put in my outer crease, which is this one right here. Or should I go with this color? Ooh, choices. I think I'm gonna do both. Let's do, no. Okay, I want to stick to the first one that I just pointed at, Irish. Oh, look at this face. Look at this face, honey. Excited. Look at the look. Look how bold and vibrant these eyeshadows are. So now we're gonna do something with the lips. I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna do pink. I was gonna do a nude one, but I was like, yeah, like I want to do a for real like pink lips, so I didn't bring no pink products. So 1 second. So I'm going to start off with my lipstick first. Usually I do lip liner, but I don't know if I want to do a burgundy lip liner with this lip or if I want to do brown. So I figured out how this lipstick looked, but this is in the shade Exotic by GLAM. So I'm gonna let this sit really quick and then I'm gonna jump right into a lip liner. I think I'm gonna go in with Scorpio. This one's by JUVIAS and it's like a burgundy tint type of lip liner. I'm gonna take a lip applicator brush to make my lip liner, my lipstick blend a little better. Okay, and of course, you already know the step. I am a lip plumper type of girl. I don't really have that many selection of lip plumpers, so you guys see a lot of the repeats that I do. So, going in with So Juicy by COLOURPOP. And this is also in the shade Cotton Candy. I don't think I ever mentioned the shade, but it's in the shade Cotton Candy. Cotton Candy, sweet and roll. Let me see that twisty roll. That twist. Okay, let's stop. All right, my love, so this completes the look. How do we feel about her? How do we feel about her? I absolutely love her. First off, let me get into this palette detail. The quality is absolutely amazing. Look, I got stuff. I don't care what kind of makeup I do. I always get like products on my palettes. Like my palettes never stay clean. But anywho, like I was saying, I already knew this was going to be an amazing palette because Beauty Bay comes in and slay for the quality of eyeshadows. Like I have, I want to say 5 of their palettes so far, so I'm definitely becoming more of a fan of Beauty Bay. And like I said, the quality is just amazing. Like you can't sleep, you can't knock it, you can't, like, there's no excuses why you don't have a Beauty Bay palette. And I hope these are not limited edition, because if they are, definitely go get your hands on it. And if it ain't, still go get your hands on this, because this is a really beautiful purple and blue palette. And they do have a bigger size of this style of palette. I believe it's like 26 eyeshadows, and then they also have a smaller size of this palette, which is going to be like 9 eyeshadows, I believe. So this is like the middle size, which is a 16 eyeshadow pan. So they have variety of different sizes of this style of palette. So it just depends on where you want to go. I felt like I had a palette like this already, so I didn't get the big one, but honestly now having this one, I kind of want the big one. But I'm not going to do it because the thing I didn't notice with each of the palette, some of the eyeshadows are going to repeat, so it was kind of silly of me to sit there and buy the big palette when I know these eyeshadows, every single last one of these, are going to be in the big one as well with other eyeshadows. So for my recommendation, if you like this style of palette, get the big one. Just get the big one, okay? Don't do like I did and I was like, no, I don't need a big one, I feel like I have this. No, get the big one, especially if you love you some purples and blue eyeshadows. And these are my favorite color story when it comes to the eyes, especially for my complexion. Okay, so sis, get you this. But yes, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. We are closing out day 4. Okay, I cannot wait for the next 3 days because I don't know if y'all noticed, but my energy has been on another high level when it came to the Purple Haze week, because it's giving. It's giving me my life. And I have to be extra careful because I have this white shirt on and I already see makeup on it, and that was my mistake to not put the shirt on yet, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But let me insert the outfit. This is what we got going on. Okay, little white. This is a bodycon. I think I actually had this on when I did like Yellow Week. Y'all gonna see some repeats, especially when it's like little here and there pieces. So I ain't that type of chick that's like, oh, I wore it once, I'm not gonna wear it again. Girl, please. That ain't me. So I did have this top on when I did the Yellow Week. It's really comfortable, but I did notice that my stomach is definitely growing because I was definitely not able to fully put the little snap part down the bottom. So I do have it tucked inside the undies low key just to make this work. So yes, this is a bodysuit, bodycon, whatever I don't even know how you say it. One of the type of shirts, so it snaps at the bottom and then they snap it right now. And then I just paired it with this beautiful kind of like a velvety skirt. I don't know if you guys can check or pick up the quality in this video, but the skirt is, I love the material of it. It's so beautiful. So I will link everything down at the bottom to the clothing pieces. So this skirt is definitely a yes to get in, and it comes in 2 other colors, I believe a black one and a green one. I'm picking up both of them. It's so comfortable, and like I said, the quality of the skirt is absolutely amazing. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, and of course be back tomorrow with another purple banger. Okay, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and then until tomorrow.